Guys, look guys. Sophia, she has a project. And then as per one subject, they told that draw a bird. And then when I saw it, when I go in the room, I saw this one. And then she told me, Mommy, look, this is nice. I go, oh my God, this is amazing. How you draw? Then she told, no, I'm just thinking. She told she's thinking only, guys. See? It's very nice. And then as for her, why there's a heart? I told her, why there's a heart? Sophia said, no, mommy, because they are girlfriend and boyfriend. They are too much love. They are girlfriend and boyfriend daw. They are too much love. But in fairness, amazing. See, it's very pretty, her bird. I love it. See? The way she drew like a bird looking each other. And then this one itself like a heart. It's the shape. Oh my God. I'm just amazed, guys. Because I don't know how to draw even myself. But she's very talented for drawing like Sim her father. Okay, guys. Be kind and be happy. Love you all.
Look, he's playing seesaw, mommy. This daddy here, and mommy's playing seesaw. Sweet kitty, Emma here, and so mommy's playing seesaw. That's sweet kitty, Emma. Daddy gone. This to Lala. You want to show Lala, guys?
My vloggers, yeah.
Guys.
Oh, that is correct.
Lala eating banana seeds.
Oh, off na dito. Happy Saturday, guys. This is our Saturday date. Oh. We bought that. What's name in English that one? Duyan. Swings. And now it's relaxed, guys. Even no electricity. It's relaxed time. Oh, Sophia busy with the friends. Hi, Sukuti. Hi, Emma. Busy. And then I'm here with my rabbit. Lala. Hi, Lala.
Mommy, I
Say
do
hi,
like
Lala.
it too.
This is our Saturday
Mommy,
day.
I do same like it too. Yeah.
Our Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday, everyone. Happy
Keep you
weekends.
sweet.
May God bless us all. Hi, Lala. Lala is busy, guys.
Kumaya.
No busy.
Keep you inside. Demi. But
Hello, guys. How are you? Kumusta all? Now, I make it Maha Blanca. Maha Blanca dessert in the Philippines. Now, the fire is off. And then empty one. Ingredients is coconut oil, condensed milk, and flour, and sweet corn. Gawa tayo ng Maha Blanca, guys. Now, ilagay natin ang coconut. But the, guys, is off ato siya, ha? Off. The fire is off. Just mix all the ingredients. And then, for me, I add also the water. Chamba-chamba lang po, guys. I just add just 1 minute. The fire is off. I just mix it. Mix natin, guys, kasi sayang yung coconut. And then, ilagay dito. Ang water is lukewarm, ha? Or normal water, it's okay also as well. And then, magdagdag pa ako ng water, guys. Kasi, ulit dami-damihan. And then, one only coconut milk, I use it. Tapos, I add the condensed. It's up to you naman, guys, kung anong gusto mo. Kung too much sweet or not much sweet, it's up to you. You can add the sugar. Just mix, 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 mix. For me, I did not finish, guys, because lagyan ko pa siya ng ano, ang tawag doon. I will add on the, sorry. I-add ko pa ang, ano tawag doon? Sugar. Tapos, corn. Hindi na akong bagong corn. I just, this corn, guys. Kasi daming ice. Whatever you can make it naman, guys. I add direct the corn. And then I have still the corn. I add more corn. The more corn you have, the more it's yummy, guys. For me, I add all corn. More corn. The more yummy kasi if more corn. Halo mo yan siya dyan. Tapos, ano ko siya, spread ko siya sa up. And then, cornstarch later, the cornstarch. Now, we need to on the fire. Low, ano lang guys, low fire lang siya. Low lang talaga. Medium. Hindi, nasa katamang-tama lang. And then, just shake, 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 shake. Later is boiled. Kapag nag-boiled na siya, that time I will add the sugar. Right now, make them like this, sticky. Kasi, lagyan pa natin ng cornstarch. Medium heat lang guys yung fire. Ayan na siya. Tapos, tikman nyo. Too much sweet. Too much, no. It's less. If less, guys, what you will do, pwede mo siyang ma-add na sugar. I-add mo siyang sugar. I will add the sugar. Ito. Depende lang sa inyo din. Tsamba-tsamba. Sa akin, tsamba-tsamba ito kasi kapag super kulo na, lagyan ko naman na siya ng salt. Ayan. The more corn, the more yummy kasi. Gusto ko maraming corn, guys. The more is yummy. Tapos, just make it a small fire para hindi siya masunog. And then, just mix. Just mix it. Okay? Balik kayo. Look, guys. Now, it's sticky na. Before it's watery, now it's sticky. It means going to cook. Like 4 minutes. 4 minutes, and then after done, you can transfer this one in the plate. Or what kind you need to transfer, it's whatever. Okay, now sticky, it means ready our maja blanca. See, it's nice. Now may panhimagas na, guys. It means I done. Now we need to off the fire because it's ready. Now we need to off the fire, guys. Now it's ready now, guys. Now I need to transfer in the plate. Here you go. I'm done with Maha Blanca. It's this one, guys. Thank you so much for order. Oh, see here. Ready to eat na, guys. I'm done. This is Filipino dessert food. So yummy, so delicious. We call this Maha Blanca. Whatever, especially in the Philippines, whatever occasion, this is always in the table. Maha Blanca, fruit salad. This is, guys. Finally, I'm done. Thank you for watching, guys. Be happy and be kind. I love you all. Thank you so much. Mwah.